Spencer, go over there.
No, we're gonna stop this vehicle.
Sheriff's office.
You want the taser? Is that what you want?
Out of here. Hey, get the fuck on the ground. Fucking told you, drop the fucking.
Come over, hands up to him now! Oh my God! All right, so we're gonna stop this guy. He's going 67 in a 45. We're catching up right now because he's flying. So we're gonna see why he's driving so fast. Traffic. Hello, Deputy Wills, Nye County Sheriff's Office. So the reason I stopped you, 67 and a 45. Yep, I got you on radar, so you got your license, insurance, and all that? No guns, knives, nothing like that? Okay. Yeah. And then, I think this is for your other registration. It says Assure. Yeah. All right, cool, just sit tight for me. All right, Blake, I'm not gonna ruin your record writing you a ticket. Slow down. Now you're in a 35 mile per hour zone, so just slow it down, all right? All right, see you again. Speeding, you'll get a ticket. Cool? Fair enough? All right, take care. Doesn't have that many traffic citations. Ultimately, his last ticket it was 2022, which was a year ago, but other than that, he doesn't have any other citations, no criminal record or anything like that. So just gave him a warning and told him to slow it down. So if we see him again, we obviously know what his vehicle looks like, pretty distinctive, and then if we see him again, we'll cite him for speeding or whatever the case may be.
So right now we're getting dispatched to a residential alarm in the central part of town. It's an audible burglary alarm triggered at the family room motion. No contact made with the key holder. So we're gonna respond to this alarm and we're gonna hope that it's a false alarm and just assess the situation, make sure nobody's breaking into the residence.
The Homestead 1000 Air Red Chevy Camaro, California 8 George Nora, Tom 0 or an Ocean 42. Come in.
Front door looks secure. tampered with. Well, I believe it's going to be a false alarm.
That's wrong. Here, just close for us.
Residents look secure. None of the windows look like they're tampered with. Doors are locked. Just another one of those false alarms. You get it all the time, so it's a good thing though. You know, nobody's actually trying to break in. Nobody's actually trying to break in, which is good. So another false alarm. Yeah, I don't know. Last time somebody's been here, looks like it's pretty empty. This is a nice house right here.
So right now we're gonna do a keep the peace, referencing, I guess, our RP wants his tools that he has at his previous employer's residence, or at his previous employer's job. So he wants to go get his tools. So we're gonna do a keep the peace so that way he can hopefully get his tools back. His former employer was like, you either need to come get your tools today or don't bother. And he ultimately admitted that he'll get his tools back when, I guess, the employer gets his stuff back or whatever. But basically the employer admitted that he has his tools and he's holding his tools hostage until he gets what he wants, which I'd highly recommend not doing that. So we're just gonna go here with the RP, let him know, hey, he's just here to get his stuff, let him get his stuff, and if you got any other issues, settle it in civil court. So that's pretty much it. But right now the RP wants us to go with him because I guess supposedly these guys are violent and all sorts of stuff, so.
Sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
Here you go, Spencer.
Goodbye.
Nope, didn't answer, so I'll call from my work phone. Hello. Which one of you guys are Zach? Alright. Hey, bud. So I'm Deputy Wills, Nye County Sheriff's Office, so he wants to get his, I guess, his tools.
Yeah, I also have some possession from that he has in his possession that I need back.
Okay.
So I could show you text messages that if I were to get the tools back.
Yeah, I saw him. He showed me.
Yeah.
He showed me that. Hang on, let me talk to him. So as far as the tools and all that stuff, so he says he doesn't have your tools. He says he doesn't.
I have him, and I also have another eyewitness saying that he has his tools being held hostage. I'm talking to him right now.
Let me talk to him, Spencer.
I'm talking to him right now. So I have a witness from him and also the dude that actually has his tools. I'm talking to him.
All right. So.
And I was just trying to help him out, trying to get his tools back in order for him to have his job and everything that he needs to do. So.
Okay. So, you do have his tools, though, right? You're just waiting to try to get your tools, so you're using it as kind of like a leverage kind of thing.
100%.
Okay. Would he be able to get his tools, and then from there? Spencer, go over there. Like I told you about the registration, go over there.
Thank you.
So, like I said, if you want, give him his tools. We can trespass him. From there, it would be a civil with the whole portion of that part. It's either he just wants his tools, because if not, then we have to press charges. He wants to press charges, which obviously
but
the
also
value of it.
he owes me back pay for rent,
Yeah, that's
for
all
also
civil.
squatting and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I told him to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all civil. So what I would recommend doing, like I said, is go to the courts.
Small claims.
One thing, you said you own this property?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Another thing would be is if you don't want him back on the property or whatever the case,
I
it would be
don't.
trespassing. I would trespass
Which
him.
also, he still has property of mine, which is my
So,
key to my Connex boxes as
Civil.
well. Yeah.
Because it's the key.
Yeah.
So like I said, the majority of the stuff is civil, but because of the fact that
Just from here, document everything.
yeah, what I can do is I can give you the CAD number and stuff like that.
Okay.
You can take it to civil court. Is it cool if you just either you bring his tools out or he goes in there and get his tools, whatever they are?
I don't want him on my property. I'll be more than welcome to get his tools, but I also need the tools that's owed to me.
I'm going to document in there that you gave him back his tools and all this other shenanigans once he gets everything. Once he's satisfied with that, and then civil court.
Pursue fucking getting your shit back.
And then you do want him trespass from the property?
Yes. Fuck yes.
Okay. All right, you got ID real quick, bud? Cool. All right, Spencer, you going to be civil? He said he's going to
I
go
can bring
grab.
his box out here.
You just said it's the
After he
box and what
opens
else?
the gate, I'll bring his box out here. How are you going to be able to fit it in your car? You got your truck?
This is the box or what else?
I have my truck, or my car. It's the only thing you guys left me with was my vehicles, man. Don't make this harder than this. Just give me my stuff, please. I'll figure the rest of that
I
out.
also loan you money and a whole bunch of other
I've
shit.
Civil.
back that several times,
No,
dude.
you
I have
haven't.
text messages.
No.
and
All right, Zach, go get his stuff. What else is it? Just your tools, right?
Just my toolbox, my clutch in the bottom of it, everything that's in the box, it all should be together.
Okay, cool. Should go get that for me and I'll start working on the other stuff.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Spencer, so here's the thing. He does want you trespassed. That being said,
No,
once
that's perfect. Yeah, because that's 100% cool with me. I don't have any plans to get here. I'm
just
filing a
want your tool.
restraining order and everything against him as soon as
And-
it's done. And I'm suing Slappy, Tyler, the other one that won't come out here.
that's fine.
So yeah, no, I've already called. Like I said, I'm in the middle of a $20 million lawsuit with another construction company that wants to kill me on my motorcycle. I'm just gonna add them. I've already talked with the attorneys and everything.
All right, cool. When you get that money, make sure I get some of it.
Hell yeah,
Nah,
no
kidding.
problem, man.
All right,
Thank you very
so just sit tight till we get your tools.
Yeah.
He's gonna bring them out, and then I did advise him because obviously majority of the stuff and stuff like that, he's saying money and all that stuff. That's all civil.
Yeah,
So just be
absolutely.
prepared as far as the civil aspect of
100%.
things.
Yeah,
So
like I said, I got the attorney already on it.
I gave you the CAD number for the other one, right? That card.
let me double check.
I can't remember. I think I did. If you got that card, then cool. If not, I'll pull it up.
How's your day going?
Oh, it's going. I had lunch today, so that's a good thing.
Hey, hell yeah, dude. I don't remember last time I got a lunch break. Today's my first day off in like 3 months, and it's because of all this shit.
I get you. So there's that. You have ID on you, bud?
I do. Shit, here's not it.
No, I get you. All right, Zach. So he's already trespassed. I already formally trespassed him. So that's all on body cam and stuff. He's already formally trespassed. That's the CAD number, reference today's call. I'm gonna put all the details in it and stuff like that. So when you go to court and all that other shenanigans, you tell him it's reference this CAD number. So I'll put all that detail and stuff. He's already trespassed. Like I told him, don't come back on property.
Right.
There's also a way you can take it as far as like, say like for example, if you don't want him texting ever again, all that other shenanigans, you can go do a restraining
Well, he's
order.
also threatened me with threats and shit like that, but that's all.
Yeah, you can also do a restraining order, TPO. He just got to get served and all that stuff. So that's pretty much it. Any other question and stuff, you can contact our dispatch at that phone number on there. Click option 5 or whatever. Give them that CAD number. I recommend taking a picture before you smear it. That's normally what I tell everyone because they're like, "Oh, thank you," and I'm like, "You smeared it, but I'm out."
Okay, hold on.
I know, right? So it didn't happen. It's not
Again,
there.
Thank you. Sorry to waste your time.
No, you're
today.
good. Appreciate you guys' cooperation, making it easy and stuff. So
Well, I tried making it a lot easier
Yeah.
than this, what it is now.
I get you.
Your time as well. Your
Yeah.
time is worth something, and it's just people.
I get you. All right, appreciate it, guys.
Have a
Take
good
care.
rest of your day, man.
You
Thank
too.
And then when I finish going through all this, I can press charges for what's missing, right?
For what?
I can press charges for anything that's missing out of the box.
As far as missing and stuff, yeah, you can be like, okay, this is missing, or you can take it to small claims.
Yeah, I'd rather press charges.
Okay,
That-
because then
that's
it
where
goes.
I'm at. Yeah, 'cause
Okay.
then it's criminal, and then it has to have something done about it. Versus him and his millions of daddy's bucks. You know,
What-
being
yeah.
able to fight me and my very little. You know.
Yeah.
So-
So what's ultimately is going to happen is, if you do discover if anything is missing down the road or whatever, and you're like, okay, cool, I'm going to press charges. Deputy's going to come out and take a report. It has to go to the DA. DA is going to decide if they want to go through with it.
Okay.
Whatever the case is. If not, then they'll drop it. It
Awesome.
ultimately depends on the DA.
Yeah.
But
if not, at that point, I'll take it through my lawyer.
All right, so basically right now,
Spencer was able to get his items back for his tools and everything. We advised him if he has any missing property and stuff like that, he can go to civil court, or if he wants to press charges, he can. But I mean, he wants to also has missing tools. It's ultimately down to tools kind of thing. Recommend both of them go to civil court. It just sounds like two grown adults can't get it, figured out. But that's pretty much it. Trespassed him from the property, so both parties are ultimately satisfied with what they have as of right now, and we'll just hope that we don't get a call back out here in the future.
So we have a vehicle, no license plate lights, simple equipment violation, but you'd be amazed at how many times something so simple can lead to bigger fines. So we're going to stop this vehicle and see what's going on. As you can see, the plate's completely scratched off. 19 traffic.
Go ahead.
I'll be 372 in black on an unreadable Nevada plate with a darkened color SUV.
Recording.
Hey, how's it going? Deputy Cunningham, Knight County Sheriff's Office. Reason stopped you, two reasons. Your license plate light's out and your plate's completely scratched off.
Okay, this is my mom and dad's vehicle.
Okay.
So,
all right.
I'll let them know.
Okay. Do you have license insurance?
Yeah.
I have the plate.
Go ahead.
Nevada 851 Victor Nora.
Copy.
Thank you. Yeah, as you can see, the plate is completely demolished. It's the older style plate, so it's probably sun bleached. But we're gonna run it, make sure everything comes back good. All right, so everything checks out, and we're gonna cut him loose with a warning. Guess it's his parents' vehicle, so we're gonna let him know to get it fixed. All right, everything came back good.
Okay.
Just tell him to get that plate switched out because it's completely gone.
Order a new plate?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Yep, and then license plate lights when you get a chance.
Okay,
right.
that'll be handled tonight.
All right, have a good night.